Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the explosive, surprisingly scientific world of farts. Yes, farts. The invisible troublemakers that show up uninvited at family dinners, first dates, and literally every gym on Earth. All right, let's start with the big question. Why does your food fight back? When you eat, your stomach and intestines work like a chaotic food processing factory. And surprise! Some of that food doesn't get fully broken down, so your gut bacteria swoop in like tiny mad scientists and start fermenting whatever's left, creating gas as a byproduct. This means your fart is literally a science experiment happening inside you. Now here's the part your health teacher definitely left out. The average person farts around 14 times a day. 14. That means if you're watching this with friends, statistically, someone has already contributed to the atmosphere. And what about the smell? Because let's be real, some farts are harmless little air puffs, and others are biological warfare. The smell comes from tiny amounts of sulfur compounds created during digestion. It's basically your gut saying, "Hey, you remember that broccoli you ate? Yeah. Here's the sequel." But wait, what about the loud ones? The "that wasn't me, I swear" farts. That sound is caused by vibrations of your butt cheeks when gas escapes. That's right. Your own body plays a tiny trumpet solo every time you let one out. And if you've ever wondered why holding in a fart feels like your soul is trying to escape, there's science behind that too. When you hold it in, the gas gets reabsorbed back into your bloodstream and eventually comes out later, which means you're not avoiding the fart. You're just postponing your destiny. Plus, fun fact, some foods practically guarantee a gas explosion. Beans, cabbage, dairy, onions. Honestly, half the grocery store is out to get you. So if you feel like your stomach is starting a small rebellion, now you know why. So, yeah. Your food doesn't just nourish you. Sometimes it fights back and announces its presence to everyone within a 5-foot radius. But hey, farting is normal, healthy, and a sign your digestive system is doing its job. If you learned something new about your daily gas adventures, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment telling me the weirdest fart fact you've ever heard. No shame, this is a safe space. Thanks for watching, and remember, science is everywhere, even in your butt.